You have to get them when they open their mouths. Oh, Mommy almost got one. Oh, oh. Mommy got one! Yeah, see this? Oh, you almost got one. This is the hook right here, Nick. This red thing. You got to get it in their mouth. Try and get the red thing in their mouth. When they open their mouth. Hey! Oh, you caught one, Nick! Look, you got one! You gapped it! Good, you gonna put it back in? Yes, please. Uh-oh. You broke the hook. That's alright, Mommy will restring it.
She is small and very funny.
Can't wait to take him rail fishing.
One day I asked
Wait. I'm fishing.
Yeah, you fishing with Mommy? Mommy can't wait to take you real fishing.
I always have to catch them.
Yeah, take you real. Oh my God, I just broke the hook.
Use a different one.
Wait, I'll put you up.
Yeah, here, use this one. Here. Use that one.
Okay.
Mommy kind of broke this one. Go ahead, you ready? Go. Meow, meow, keep going. I don't know what it's saying.